The Oppo Find X3 Pro is the latest in the Oppo Find X series of flagship phones, following the Find X2 Pro, which was released in 2020. Here are the things you need to know about this device. First, let's note that the Find X3 Pro is just as well formed as anything top manufacturers like Apple or Samsung can come up with currently. This phone runs on Android 11 and has the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. It has a massive 12GB RAM and a 256GB non-expandable storage. It is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, and it is 5G enabled. The Find X3 Pro has a dimension of 163.6 by 74 by 8.3 mm and weighs 193 grams. The screen is a 6.7 inches Quad HD and AMOLED display with a 10-bit panel and has a refresh rate of 120 Hz at native resolution. The back camera has a quad camera setup of a 50 megapixels wide-angle lens, a 13 megapixels periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, plus a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and then a 3 megapixel macro lens. The selfie camera is a 32 megapixel wide-angle lens. The design of the back has some really nice curves around the edge of the slim camera bump. The body is glossy, and this is quite lovely to look at. The battery is a 4500 mAh fast charging battery. Wireless charging is also available. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and leave us a comment about your thoughts on this device. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Stay safe, bye.